Hello. How is everybody doing, guys? We are live, I see. How's everybody doing today, guys? We are going to try to go over everything today to what exactly is going on with the crypto market. As we all know, the crypto market right now is very bloody, is very bad. So we're just going to get straight up into it, guys. Let's just talk about what's going on in the market right now. Okay. So I'm going to talk about what's actually going on with the market. Why it's crashing? Will it ever recover? When will it recover? If it does recover, and what did I do today actually? Okay, so right off the bat, you can actually see that the global crypto market cap is down 1.48. Is down 2.85%. Okay, so that's not too good. Right now, it's at 1.48 trillion dollars, and it's been crashing down for quite some time now, and everybody is already expecting that the whole crypto market will be down all Memorial Day. All right, so that's one big thing that many people have to understand. Like maybe the Memorial Day, a lot of people may be pulling some money out to make sure they have some money to do whatever they want to during the weekend. So that's also something to be thinking about. Okay. Normally when the crypto market is down, it does shake the tree out a little bit and does eliminate some retail investors. So and normally when it comes to cryptos, the people that have diamond hands are normally the ones that actually profit long term. Okay, so that's something you should also keep in mind as well. The crypto market volume over the past 24 hours is 126.54 billion, which is a decrease of 18.63%. Okay, so again, the volume of cryptos has been going down. Many people are selling off, so we'll take a look at different types of cryptos just in a moment, but just give you a brief overview to what's going on. Look, Bitcoin is down 1.27%. Ethereum is down 4.34%. Tether, let's not talk about Tether because we all know it's never really going to fluctuate as much. BNB down 6.18%. So anybody that's interested in buying into safe mode and stuff like that, your BNB or your smart chain is down too. Okay, Cardano is down 7%. Dogecoin down 2.38%. XRP is down 6.16%. The USD coin, the same thing like Tether. Those two are never really going to fluctuate as much as the other crypto markets is. Polkadot, ticker symbol DOT. It's a little warm in here. I don't know why I wore a jacket today. So Polkadot down 16.65%. Internet Computer down 2.25%. You can already see, let me just scroll down to not bore you guys with the numbers, right? You can see that there's not too many cryptos out here that are very positive today. All right, so let's look at the top gainers for today, right? So the top gainers would be Horizon, Curve DAO, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 different cryptos are actually up. Remember, CoinMarketCap has more than 100, but right now in this list is only 100. So out of these hundreds, only 12 are positive at the moment of the video, at the moment of the live stream. Okay, so that's also something to also be a part of. Okay, so these are the ones that are positive. Look, they went up a little bit. All right, so Bitcoin. All right, so Bitcoin is normally the indicator to how the crypto market is actually going to go. All right, we all know this. So when Bitcoin actually does crash, for example, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin on CoinDesk. Right, I actually like their chart. All right, so when Bitcoin actually goes down, it doesn't want to load now, making me look bad in front of my peoples. AMC Future Millionaire, what's up? How you doing? Welcome to the live stream. All right. So Bitcoin is down 2.43%. All right. So you can actually say that today, in the past 24 hours, my bad, it was at 37,000. It went to a lows of 33,000. All right. So there is a lot of FUD going around in regards to cryptos. Maybe the crypto, bull run is over. So there's where a lot of things are actually starting to happen. So here's where cryptos and people who actually love and actually research cryptos actually come into play, right? If you guys believe in cryptos long term, if you guys believe into the specific project, for example, these are different projects. Okay, let's just put it that way. If you guys believe into that specific project and you believe that crypto will be here long term, right? You could invest into it. So the price fluctuations will not worry. But what's been going on for the past, let's say 9 months or the past 12 months, ever since the pandemic, we have gotten so many different retail investors investing into stocks, investing into cryptos, investing into, different things, right? Expecting a great amount of returns. And like I said this yesterday when I talked about AMC on the other live stream, there's people right now that I have a friend, okay, that he'll buy Bitcoin. Oh my God, Bitcoin's at 37,000. Let me buy into Bitcoin. He'll buy Bitcoin at 37,000. Let's say he buys one Bitcoin or half a Bitcoin, okay, and then it dips down from 37,000 to 33,000. He lost $4,000 in the span of, since 1 a.m. to 2 p.m. In the span of 2 hours, he lost $4,000. Okay, it's a big hit. And what would actual cryptocurrency people do? They will hold for the long run. No, there are actual people out there like my friend that'll sell their cryptos. And you never really lose money until you actually sell. So he went down $4,000, hypothetically, right? And he's been doing that for quite some time now. He wants very, very fast response to what's actually going on. And that's a very, very dangerous game, okay? So I just wanted to show you guys this. All right, it's on Reddit, okay? The US dollar looks like a poop coin from crypto's perspective. There's 27 trillion in circulation, unlimited supply cap, only one nod, 1% of holders own 30%, 25% supply minted in the last 6 months, 38 million notes printed every day, loses at least 3% of value every year in a bear market since its conception, okay? So if you guys just look at these stats based on the US dollar, all right, it does sound like a rug pull type of crypto, right? That is very, very sketchy. And that's just the US dollar, okay? So this is the Reddit page for Bitcoin, all right? Close. So this is the Reddit page for Bitcoin, okay? Because I just find it interesting to believe how there's people out there that believe, Bitcoin is not going to be that next big thing of the future. And to be honest with you guys, out of all the cryptos out there, maybe only a handful will actually, make it or will actually use in the future, right? Now, the transition from the US dollar to cryptos may take some years. It may take some time to actually do. But I believe it will actually happen. That transition will come. We'll just have to slowly get adapted to what's actually going on. Okay. So let's see what else I found around here. So these are like different things to what's actually going on with Bitcoin. And it's always being compared to US dollar because that's a very big thing. So a good question. Let me ask you guys something. I asked this yesterday in the live stream. I have a cousin that he said that gold will probably be a better investment than cryptocurrencies or than US dollar. Okay, so let me know. I'm gonna put it in the chat too. What do you guys think is a better investment, gold or Bitcoin? All right, let me put that. All right, I think that could be a pretty good argument, gold or Bitcoin. That's a pretty good argument, moving forward, just to see what's actually going on. All right, sorry, I dipped down a little bit. My charger for the laptop was messing up on me. I gotta charge my laptop. I don't know why I did this before, guys. I'm a bad live stream person, But let me know, what do you guys think about gold or Bitcoin, all right, or gold or cryptocurrencies, for example, right? Like what's really going to happen in the future regards to, what's going to be the best investment for you guys, okay? Ethereum is down 5.29%, okay? I know yesterday in our live stream we were lagging a whole lot, so please let me know if we are lagging today. I'll try to see if I could fix the connections a little bit. Ethereum's down 5.29%. Look at this, right? Like all these cryptos, these big name cryptos are down, okay? There's not too many that are down. Just yesterday we were talking about SafeMoon Cash, right? Just yesterday, SafeMoon Cash, let's quickly take a look at it. SafeMoon Cash was up almost 80% just yesterday, all right? And right now, at the moment of the live stream, they went back up. They're up 7.21%, okay? Now, like 30 minutes ago, when I was looking at it, they were down 2%. They were down 2%, so they had a quick little run to what's actually going on. Now, look, they're up 3%, 5%. You get me? Like, there's a lot of things going on with, with SafeMoon Cash. They just got added to the coin market cap, so I think that's pretty cool. That's going to give them a lot more value, a lot more trust for a lot of investors. All right, this is just the SafeMoon Cash's chart just for the past 24 hours. All right, and for a lot of these small cap cryptos, you're going to have a lot of fluctuations. Right now, they have a market cap of less than $100 million. All right, so a quick thing about SafeMoon Cash, guys. Today I actually bought some more SafeMoon Cash, right? Like right now, let me pull it up on my Trust wallet. Right now, because I always try to be very transparent with you guys, I'm never going to try to give you guys any FUD, right? I own 864 billion SafeMoon Cash tokens, All right, let me see if I can show you guys right there. 864 billion SafeMoon Cash tokens, right? So I don't try to hide for tokens that I talk to on the channel, because everything I talk about, I actually have some money, and I have to put my money, my money in my mouth sometimes, right? So, I've been very happy to what SafeMoon Cash has been doing. And right now it's in very early stages. And I do believe it could probably reach new all-time highs later on in the future. All right. But let me know what you guys think about SafeMoon Cash. Like really, like let me know. All right. Like what you guys think about SafeMoon Cash. All right. So now when we talk about SafeMoon Cash, we got to talk about the regular SafeMoon, right? What is SafeMoon doing? Oh, you don't want to show up now, huh? Making me look bad in front of my live streamers, baby. You can't do that, coin market cap. All right. So anybody that was here yesterday, you guys noticed that I'm wearing the same sweater. I'm wearing the same sweater, but I washed it. I had to wash some clothes today. So SafeMoon's up 1.89%. So the thing about SafeMoon is whenever there's a huge dip, we had a huge conversation yesterday about whales and burning of tokens and how much supply there will be in the circulation. And it was just a very interesting. If you guys do want to talk about that, let me know. Or if you guys want to look at the live stream yesterday, it was a 2-hour live stream. Yesterday's live stream was planned for just 30 to 45 minutes. We ended up going 2 hours. All right. So it was from 11 p.m. at night to 1 a.m. in the morning. So all my people that have been following me, thank you so much for, giving me questions and just giving me a chance to interact with you guys. All right. So SafeMoon is up 1.89%. And when also like the market cap for SafeMoon is way bigger than what SafeMoon Cash has. They have 2.5 billion right now. All right. So if let's just say a huge whale sells like 0.01% of his shares, of his tokens, not too much of a change will actually happen regards to SafeMoon. All right. So now, since we're talking about all these coins, let's also take a look at Dogecoin really quick. Now, there's a huge concern regards to Dogecoin. Look, it's down 2.99%, almost 3%. Isn't it crazy how Dogecoin was almost at 75 cents like not too long ago? Now they're at 30 cents. That's cryptos for you, man. That's just kind of shows you have to be very careful into the price points when you guys are investing into cryptos and to when you guys will be investing into cryptos. Like you have to like really not time it. But if you guys are going to be investing into cryptos long term, just get into it, right? But if you guys are going to try to get into it short term, you guys will have to like do really in-depth research to how or when you guys are going to get into like the specific coins, especially like a Dogecoin. It has huge fluctuation swings like this, man. Like it's just crazy just to see it. The trading volume went down 25.6% for Dogecoin. They have a market dominance of 2.63%. So now that I'm live streaming, I kind of wanted to say something really quickly, man. If anybody that I know this is not a crypto idea or whatever, but before I got on here, I was looking at Meet Kevin. Like Meet Kevin is doing a 32-hour live stream, right, to get some donations for his candidacy for governor of California. So if anybody wants to check that out, go check that out. I don't know him at all. Like I'm from Florida, he's from California. I have no idea who he is. I'm not sponsored or nothing, but I just think that's pretty cool. That the 32 hours of live streaming, that got to be tiring. Like I have these lights on me, and my eyes are already burning. And like for me, I'm talking to a lens and I'm by myself, but I have these lenses on me and stuff. So another one, obviously, when I talk about Dogecoin is Shiba Inu. All right. So many people always ask me about Shiba Inu all the time. What are my personal opinions on Shiba Inu? And I tell them the same thing for Dogecoin. I'd rather invest into Dogecoin than Shiba Inu long term. Okay, because there's more things going on for Dogecoin than Shiba Inu. Okay. Now, right now, I'm currently working on a video, guys, of my top 3 cryptos for year 2021. Okay, and they could be pretty good long-term holds for this year and for next year and for many years to come. I just do believe like there's some cryptos out there that could pretty much change how our financial system and how some banks are actually incorporating some cryptos. Okay, I know there's a lot of FUD going around regards to China's regulating Bitcoin and limiting Bitcoin and all that stuff, but I think all that stuff is smoke and it will just blow over with time. All right, just full disclosure on that. So XRP, all right, if anything, we'll just probably go down the list really quickly. And then we'll pretty much like just end it really quick. So XRP down 6.41% at 82 cents. The same thing, like these patterns for most of these cryptos have probably been down. I'm not, to be honest with you, like right now is a bloody, it's a bloody day. It will probably be a bloody weekend for cryptocurrencies all throughout because of Memorial Day, right? Because of Memorial Day, it's a long weekend for a lot of people, and just to kind of see what's actually going on. All right, Cardano, y'all know I love Cardano, and see it has the same price patterns right here. It was up around $1.56. It dropped to a lows of 135. I should get more Cardano today, actually. I should get more Cardano today. Like when it comes to Cardano, I think anything around $1.50 or below is a pretty good price point for Cardano, or anything below that actually. Like Cardano just a month ago was at 134, and here was around $1. This was like a huge crash and a huge concern for a lot of people. You see how it had a V-shaped recovery. These same patterns were in all cryptos. All right. Whenever Bitcoin dips down, a lot of these other cryptos tend to dip down as well. Along with it. Remember, Bitcoin has the biggest market cap out of all these cryptos right now. So if the one that has the biggest market cap tanks down, the other ones with the smaller market caps are going to tank down too, Excuse me. We talked about Dogecoin. Oh, I talked about Uniswap the other day. Let's take a look at Uniswap and how that one's doing. So, I mean, it's down 10.75%. That's way more than the other ones so far that I've seen on the chart. They were at $27.41 and did down to $22. Okay. Now I talked about why I kind of believe in Uniswap. There's another one. I like Stellar a lot. Let's take a look at Stellar. What's going on with Stellar? Stellar. 36 cents. Down 6.79%. Okay. See, like you're gonna see these same price patterns and these same chart movements to everything's going on. The same V-shaped recovery that we had here. All right. So when it comes to these smaller, not small cap, let's say, but smaller prices for cryptos, this is what a lot of retail investors get attracted to, because they see these prices like right now it's 36 cents. So they think, okay, if I invest $300, that's X amount of stellar coins, right? If it reaches $1, that I could get so much money out of it. I could really make some money, But it becomes very risky. For example, like it was at 7 cents, shot up to 63 cents, and it dipped back down to 36 cents, right? But if you guys were buying, let's say 50 cents, right? The idea of, oh my God, crypto's going to make me rich, it becomes a very dangerous game. So you guys have to be very careful. Like I stress that so much. Like you guys have to be very, very careful. Which one's a good one? If you guys have any suggestions to which one we should talk about, please let me know down in the chat. All right. So again, for anybody that is new, I also do want to bring up the idea of which will be a better investment long term, gold or Bitcoin, or gold or any cryptocurrencies, just to see if we could stir up a little argument up there. All right. So let's take a quick look at SafeMoon's Twitter to see if we get any updates on SafeMoon today. All right. Now, when just yesterday somebody gave me a pretty good account to follow, because do you guys remember Warren Ruggs? Right, Warren Ruggs was one of the accounts that was trying to belittle SafeMoon in the very beginning, and we found out that the person who actually made the account on Warren Ruggs was just trying to lower the price of SafeMoon for that person to get more SafeMoon tokens and for he could benefit long term. All right. Now, if you guys go to Warren Ruggs, for example, let's see if I can find it. Warren Ruggs. Whoa. Warren Ruggs. All right. If you guys go here, there's nothing there now. All right. Like there's not too much movement here anymore. All right. It's a conspiracy, let's say. All right. and they haven't really posted anything since May 20th, which is almost, you know, a week and a half, right? So it does bring up a lot of questions to what actually is going on with, you know, the market, and how people are trying to always manipulate cryptos, and how people are trying to benefit for themselves, and people are just trying to be greedy at the end of the day. All right. So, I mean, it does become very, very sad, because there's some YouTubers out there even that that just try to pump the negativity regards to cryptos, even though it could probably be a good investment and everybody could prosper and everybody could make a whole bunch of money out of it, right? And they'll just be like, no, man, you know, it's bad, you know, it's very bad, you know, what's going on. And they just try to lower the price of Bitcoin. Like, there's a conspiracy as well for China, the China and Bitcoin thing, right? So I don't know too much of the details, but this conspiracy is that supposedly China, right, or somebody that was affiliated with the China organization, or one of the China banks, right? They came out on Reddit or on Twitter. They didn't say their name. They didn't say what industry or what bank they actually worked for. They just said in a couple of days, like this was out. Like, like if you want, we could research it right here live. In a couple of days, China will come out with some bad news, crash the Bitcoin price, right? And then a couple of weeks after that, China will, you know, take back the words and accept Bitcoin. Okay, so the point of that one is to lower Bitcoin as much as possible for whoever's trying to buy Bitcoin over there in different areas, could buy into Bitcoin and then could prosper later when China says, yeah, you know what, we changed our minds, we're gonna accept it. You know, that's pure manipulation in the market. Okay, so, and the same thing that happens with these big time, you know, hedge funds and with the stocks and stuff, the same thing happens with some YouTubers out there. Like, there's some YouTubers that say, hey, Safe Moon to the moon, but they're not invested into Safe Moon. Oh, Safe Moon Cash to the moon, but they're not invested into Safe Moon Cash, right? Like, all the cryptos I talk about, I'm invested into them. Like, I just showed you my Safe Moon Cash portfolio. Like, I showed you guys yesterday my Safe Moon portfolio. I'm invested into Bonfire. You get me? Like, I know maybe out of those 3, or out of the, like right now I think I'm invested into like 12. Out of those 12, maybe 4 will actually make it out, and, you know, maybe make me rich or make me a millionaire later on in the future, right? So you actually have to like diversify your crypto portfolio as well, just like you're diversifying your stock portfolio, you know? And I kind of find it the same. It's just cryptos will actually be a little bit more volatile than, you know, the stocks. So that's something you always have to keep in mind as well. All right. So Safe Moon, I know I ranted for a little bit. So Safe Moon, guys, Safe Moon is trending. Safe Moon is trending. 92.6 thousand tweets regards to Safe Moon. Yes. Today I got a big water bottle because you guys know I drink a lot of water while I'm talking. I do talk a lot. We've been going for 22 minutes. Me talking non-stop. I get a little thirsty. All right, so Safe Moon is trending again. So if Safe Moon's trending, normally when Safe Moon trends on Twitter or any social platforms, they tend to go up actually. All right. Let's see. This is Safe Moon right here. Yeah, Safe Moon is positive right now, or Safe Moon is going up. Like it's coming up. It's coming back up. This is Safe Moon, right? Yeah, this is coming back up. All right. So you can actually look at these candlesticks. This was up 724. Let me see, where is it? It's up 1, then 1, then it was shot up 6%, then 1. So right here, just in the span of let's say a couple hours. All right. Yes. In the span of a couple hours, right here, it shot up 1, 6, 1, like 10% in the span of a couple hours, right? So that, you know, just today, today's pretty good. As long as, you know, it's trending, most likely will probably keep on trending on the social platforms, and it could probably continue to trend upwards. All really depends on how the market is doing, and if Safe Moon actually goes up, most likely Safe Moon Cash will probably, you know, reap the benefits of piggybacking on what Safe Moon is actually doing, right? So thanks for the update. No problem. I'm here for you guys. Let's see what else you guys say. Oh, Black, the East Coast bully, Safe Moon is going. Yep. Stefanos Giovannis, what percentage you have in cryptos? Okay, so what percentage I have in cryptos? I normally have I think right now I have like, let's say 60-40, like 60% in stocks and ETFs and 40% in cryptos, like to my investments. All right. Like right now, I'm also trying to expand into real estate and also try to get into the real estate realm a little bit. I'm not 100% in what I'm doing right now, so I'm trying to get a little bit of help and like some guidance to what's actually going on in the real estate market. Because at least down here in Miami, the real estate market is going crazy, bro. Like prices are going up, wood is going up too. It's just ridiculous to how the prices have been going in the real estate market, man. So, right. So this is probably the prediction if it keeps on trending. All right. So just yesterday we talked about how in coin market cap, let's go back. I should have said this in the beginning. I don't know why I didn't say nothing in the first place. Right. And coin market cap, SafeMoon had 1.4 million people that had this token on their watch list. Right now, it still has the same amount, 1.48. It hasn't really moved up, but it's still, you're trying to make some noise out there, Excuse me. Yeah, today they're doing good. They're up. They were up 1.89%. You saw how it went down to negative 33%. I mean, I just feel like if it keeps on trending, it'll probably continue to keep on going upwards. I don't know if this is just for me, or maybe it's just my Twitter account, but I always see like SafeMoon on the trending topics and stuff like that, like right here. Because sometimes, I got this idea from a friend because he likes to like, he's an expert, I guess, in Google Trends. So he'll go to like a private browser, not to look at nasty stuff, but he'll go on private browsers and go on Google Trends, and he'll go on like Twitter, trending, whatever's trending on Twitter, all right? And then there is where the real trending topics are for Twitter and stuff like that. Because sometimes whatever you have looked at in the past will affect your search results, moving forward. All right. Okay. So, yeah, there hasn't been too much updates for SafeMoon today. So we probably might bypass SafeMoon and probably jump into. Let's go into Bonfire. I know Bonfire was having a AMA today. All right, they're having an AMA. Like, did you guys see their first live AMA of Bonfire? It was horrible. Like, it was probably one of the most worst AMAs I have ever seen. So if you guys follow, what happened here? So if you guys follow SafeMoon, you guys know in the very early stages of SafeMoon, the first 2 or 3 SafeMoon AMAs, it was horrible. Like, it had all these people, too much noise, and that kind of limited what actually was going on. Yeah. All right. So Bonfire. So they were doing a live AMA on Telegram, right? So that I was listening to it before I came on the live stream because they were just to see what was up, and right there they were actually talking about how. Okay, so one of the people that works for Bonfire asked the community, do you think Bonfire will change your life? And that guy straight up said, no, I don't think so. I think this is a meme coin that won't last. I think like stuff like that, like it's funny to listen to, but there are actual people out there that believe stuff like this is a scam and stuff. Like I was very skeptical of Bonfire. Let me see. Look, full disclosure, I'm also invested into Bonfire too. All right, I have 261 Bonfire, which is not too much, right? 261 million Bonfire. I apologize. All right, 261 million Bonfire on my Trust wallet. All right, and I was kind of waiting. My idea is this: if Smart Chain or BNB goes up and SafeMoon or Bonfire, any of these other poop coins go down, I could reap the benefits of having a big BNB token or partial token, whatever, and change that into SafeMoon or Bonfire and get more. All right, so I was kind of waiting for BNB to go up, so I could buy more Bonfire today, more SafeMoon Cash. So BNB is also down too, so I gotta wait on that. All right, Brian, hey, welcome back, Brian. How you doing, sir? So Brian was one of the few that actually was with me yesterday in our 2-hour live stream. So welcome back. He stayed up with me till like 1 a.m., which is pretty crazy for somebody that doesn't really know who I am to follow and listen to me for 2 hours talking, you know. So I appreciate that, Brian. Word up. So, question: is anybody invested into Bonfire? And if you guys are, what do you guys think where Bonfire will actually go in the future? If you guys are investing into Safe Moon Cash, you know, what do you guys think will happen later on in the future? Let's talk about it. Let's discuss it, man. Let's see, man. All right, so a good thing about Bonfire is that they're not trying to become the next Safe Moon. They have tokenomics like Safe Moon and Safe Moon Cash, but they're trying to attack the social media realm. All right, so they're also trying to attack like NFTs and different things like that. Robot account, HODL and Moonshield, brother. These are gonna blow up. They are like banks now, not cryptos. You don't take and Metator. So robot account, that does count. That username sounds a little skeptical. It sounds a little dangerous. I'm joking. NFTs are the future. Bonfire is building the most unique NFT frictionless trading market. So what's your opinions on some of these cryptos actually going into like the NFT markets, right? There's one I talked about yesterday briefly that had probably one of the worst launches I've ever seen. It's called Refinable, right? It's the first major NFT marketplace on the Binance Smart Chain, all right? And Binance is also incorporating, you know, their own NFT marketplace in their exchange, right? And Refinable is one of the first ones. I think one of the three that are actually in that marketplace, all right? And when they had their launch, it was just very, very bad. Like the creator said, oh, the price of Refinable is going to be 63 cents, right? It's going to have a limited supply. We're going to have 63 cents. It ended up coming out at, let's see if I can find it for you guys. For I won't give you guys false information. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. All right. Ticker symbol fine. Refinable. Come on, Chris. Pick up the pace. Nobody wants to wait for you. Nobody want to wait for you. So anybody that is new to the live stream, thank you guys for coming out and just listening to me talk. I'm trying to start a little debate on what will be a great or better investment, whether it be gold or cryptocurrencies. I just think that would be a pretty cool topic to talk about in the video, as well. So let's take a look at Refinable, right? It's not gonna have a year. There's not. Look at this. $4.63. They were projected to come out at 63 cents. All right, what the price is now, that's what it was projected to come out for. Right, there was a point, I believe, before it actually started to get launched, it was a point where it was like at $7. All right, and it's just pretty crazy, man. It's just pretty crazy, man. Robot account. I'm a big YouTuber and TikToker. Big channel. This is how I communicate for crypto investing. Have 100K son. Comedy channel where I invest my money. Okay. Congratulations, man, on your 100K. I'll probably look at your channel really quickly, and I'll probably follow you, man. Congratulations. So you're a comedy channel. Awesome, man. What type of comedy do you do? All right. So they were they started around $7, and look at this dip. So a lot of investors were not happy for this, because obviously there's some people that actually have like pre-sales and stuff like that for tokens. Just imagine you guys put $1,000 into Refinable, thinking it's gonna be 63 cents or 50 cents or whatever. It shoots up to $7. Oh yeah. You know, I did good. And then it drops down to 68 cents. Or people that were not in the pre-sale, waited for it to come out, bought at $6-7, and now look, they basically lost a lot of their money. All right, so a lot of people weren't happy. The launch was horrible. Their first AMA was horrible too. All right, so there was a lot of different things actually going on. So Refinable, quick update on Refinable. Refinable is actually backed up supposedly by Binance and Mr. Beast. I'm pretty sure you guys know who Mr. Beast is. Mr. Beast is a beast regards to like YouTube and all his challenges and stuff, right? So Bitmart will list Refinable on May 31st. Today's May 31st, right? In 2 days, on Tuesday, I think, or Monday, or on Memorial Day. So, though, Refiner will get listed on a new exchange. That's pretty cool. You know, like I think I made 2 videos on Refiner, but haven't really followed them for a little bit because I just think like what they're doing right now is a little wrong, right? And how everything has been going has been pretty skeptical a little bit to see how everything is going, man. All right. So that's basically how the market is doing today, man. I just kind of wanted to hop on in here, talk to you guys for a little bit, and just to see, you know, what was actually going on. This live stream wasn't meant to, you know, to last 2 hours like yesterday. I'll probably most likely do one on Monday. Tomorrow is Sunday. Tomorrow I most likely won't do a live stream or post tomorrow, but I'll spend time with my kid and the family and stuff. I have a 4-year-old daughter, so I just, you know, just gotta spend some time with her too. Can't just make videos all the time, but I just gotta do my best for, you know, I have a community, I have a following, not too big, not like robot accounts, all right, but I'll one day I would hope to get there. I have 3.6 thousand subs. So that, even though we're a small channel, I do love the community we have here. There's people that follow me for a while, that comment on all the videos, like all the videos, and just, you know, actually show some love. So for anybody that is watching and you have followed me for some time now, I really do appreciate you from the very bottom of my heart. And that's something that, you know, I can never take away from me, man. So, and all these things, like me going on here live, just brings a little bit of memories. So I always try to give you guys the best information out there regards to cryptos, stocks. Like right now, lately, I've been talking more about cryptos. I want to talk a little bit more about stocks, but sometimes, you know, it does get kind of hectic in the market, just like cryptos. And I'd rather talk about cryptos because they're a lot more fun, let's say. Because honestly, guys, we do like to see these price fluctuates, you know, by the 10s and the 20s, right? So I just if you guys have any questions, please let me know down in the comments, because I think that's pretty much it for me. Just wanted to give you guys a quick recap to what's going on in the market right now and to why it's been going down. But don't panic sell. All right, like that's what I'm doing. I'm not panic selling. I'm gonna probably buy a little bit more, probably a little bit more in everything into what I'm doing. So like today about let me see. I'll show you guys my transactions. Today I got more Safe Moon. I got a little bit more Cardano. I should get more Cardano actually, and I should just get a little bit more of all those. I do not have Dogecoin. I have XRP. I didn't buy more XRP. I said I will buy more XRP once the SEC case is over, because I do have a pretty good return for XRP right now, but I'm not going to buy more. I have a little bit of Internet Computer, a little bit of Uniswap, because I got to put my money where my mouth is. I talked about Uniswap and how I kind of believe in it. I got money in Polygon. All right, I made a video on Polygon if anybody wants to check that out. So just waiting for some comments, because I know sometimes YouTube takes a little bit to actually update the chats. Just give it another minute or so. All right. But yeah, man, that's basically, you know, what's going on in the market. So let's see if we could just end it right here. Leave off with a good note. I mean, the market's down 2.98%, so it's not a good note, but we're going to be very positive until what's going to happen. We're going to try to diamond hand it and try to get rich later on in the future, right? I just think it's going to be very cool to see in a couple months or in a couple years to go back to the same live stream and to see how we only had like 15, 20 people in the live stream. And then once we're there in a couple years, we have hundreds or maybe even thousands of people watching us at the same time and just joining. You guys will know that from the bottom of my heart, I love you guys. All right, guys. So thank you all for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Have a safe weekend. Stefanos just commented. He said Internet Computer seems undervalued. I do believe so as well. I do believe Internet Computer is going to be very, very big very, very soon. All right. I'm working on a video right now for Internet Computer, so please be patient with me. So thank you guys all for watching. Please remember to hit that like button, subscribe down to the channel if you guys are not. Most of you are watching, are subscribed down, because you guys are the only crazy ones that actually listen to me. All right, so thank you all for watching. See you guys next time. See you guys tomorrow, maybe. Let's see what happens. But most likely, you guys will see me Monday, and we'll talk on Monday. All right, guys. So gather up all your questions, gather up all your information to what you guys want to talk about on Monday, and let's talk about it Monday on our live stream. All right. I will post the date and the time today for the live stream, so please be prepared, and let's just go on for it, and let's see how the market is on Monday. All right, guys. So thank you all for watching. Take care. Salutes to you all. Have a great day. Be safe out there. Peace out.